AEGIS, Space Situational Awareness System, as the number of satellites and debris objects in Earth's orbit continues to grow. Monitoring space activity has become increasingly important. AGIS is a space situational awareness system designed to track satellites, visualize orbital activity, and identify potential close approaches between space objects. The system begins by collecting publicly available orbital data, known as TLS, from trusted satellite data sources. Using standard orbital propagation models, AEGIS predicts the position and movement of satellites over time. These calculations allow the system to continuously monitor thousands of objects orbiting the Earth. The interactive 3D globe provides a real-time visualization of satellite locations and orbital paths. Users can explore individual satellites, inspect their trajectories, and view detailed positional and velocity information directly through the interface. One of the core features of AGIS is conjunction detection. A conjunction occurs when two satellites or objects in orbit come dangerously close to each other. The system analyzes satellite trajectories and calculates important metrics such as missed distance, relative velocity, and time of closest approach to determine potential risk. To improve usability and understanding, AGIS integrates an AI-based analysis layer that generates concise insights and recommendations for conjunction events. Detected events are automatically classified into high, medium, and low risk categories, helping users quickly identify the most critical situations. The platform also supports live TLE updates and automatic refresh cycles, ensuring that satellite data remains current and continuously monitored. By combining orbital computation, optimized detection algorithms, AI-assisted analysis, and interactive visualization, AGIS delivers a complete end-to-end satellite monitoring and conjunction analysis platform.